Delay no more. Mastering the art of delaying action. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language to help you become more fluent and confident speakers. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a very common phrase, delaying action. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone keen on improving your English, understanding this phrase will elevate your language skills. So, let's not delay any further and get right into it. Delaying action refers to the process of postponing or putting off something that needs to be done. It's not just about procrastination, it's a strategic or necessary pause in activities or decisions. This could be due to awaiting more information, needing more time to make a decision, or strategic reasons in various scenarios, including business, military, and everyday life. To bring the concept closer to home, let's look at some everyday examples where delaying action might be applied. In decision-making, you might delay action on buying a new phone until more reviews are available. In work or school projects, a team might delay action on submitting a project, choosing to refine it further for a better grade or review. In personal life, someone might delay action on moving to a new city until they feel more certain about their job prospects. It's crucial to distinguish between a strategic delay and mere procrastination. Delaying action is often a conscious choice for a beneficial reason. In contrast, procrastination is typically avoiding tasks due to laziness or reluctance. Understanding this difference can help in applying the concept of delaying action effectively without falling into the trap of procrastination. Using delaying action effectively involves assessing the situation, determine if the delay is beneficial or necessary. Setting a new timeline, define how long you're delaying action and stick to it. Communicating. If your decision to delay action affects others, communicate your reasons and new timelines clearly. We hope this exploration of delaying action helps you understand its meaning and how to apply it in various aspects of your life. Remember, delaying action can be a powerful tool when used wisely, but it's important to distinguish it from procrastination. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Happy learning!